Okay, 1 as the numerator. Good. Okay, let's read the story. Audrey buys a bouquet of 12 flowers.
1/3 of them are red. How many of the flowers are red?
Okay, to find this answer, we're gonna be doing these activities, but let's answer these questions first. How many flowers does Audrey buy in all? What did it say, guys? Everyone?
12 flowers.
Okay, write that down. Remember cursive. What fraction of the flowers are red? What fraction did it say were red, guys? Everyone?
1/3.
1/3 of the flowers are red. That's the fraction. You have to write 1/3 because that's the fraction. It doesn't say you had to write the label or anything. Now,
1/3 flowers.
to make this, guys, to make 1/3 into groups, look at the bottom number. The bottom number is what in that fraction? How many groups? And how many did it say though? How many is on our fraction? 3. So you can see right here, boys and girls, there are 3 pink boxes. Those 3 pink boxes are for our denominator showing our groups. 3 groups, okay? You are to put 12 counters in each of these 3 groups. And since you want to find 1/3 of the group, you put them into 3 equal groups. So you're needing to draw 12 counters, 1 in each until you get to 12. Go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, this is like multiplication and division, kind of. Okay. Now, remember, our fraction was 1/3, right? Right?
Yes.
And the 3 we used as our groups, right?
Yes.
Circle 1, which is our top number, our numerator. Circle 1 of the groups. Circle 1 of them. One of the groups is showing 1/3. It is showing 1/3. Okay? One of the groups is showing 1/3. Now, then count the numbers in that group. How many counters are in one group, guys?
4.
4. So 1/3 of 12 is 4. So how many flowers of the flowers are red? 4. 4 of the flowers were red. Okay, now here's another question. What if Audrey bought 9 flowers instead of 12? And 1/3 of them are yellow. Use your math board and counters to find how many flowers are yellow. Now hold on. How did I know how many groups?
Because that was the 3 groups.
It was the denominator. Now, what's our denominator in our new question? No, Audrey buys a bouquet of 9 flowers and 1/3 of them are yellow.
So
What is
it's also 1/3.
It's also 3. Yes, our denominator is 3.
That doesn't
So
go back
let's
in
make
black.
3 groups. Please don't argue with me. Let's make 3 groups for 1/3 because it's the same. It is the same fraction as what was on top, 1/3. 1/3, I was trying to tell you that when you see 1/3, you then make groups. The denominator is 3, so you make 3 groups. Okay, now, you have 9 flowers, we said. When we said it up here you had 12, we put 1 in each group until we got to 12. But this time she bought 9, so we're going to put 1 in each group until we get to 9. So let's do that. 1 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, do the same thing as up here. I did this. Circle one of the groups for 1/3. The top number is 1, so I'm circling just one group. How many counters are in that one group? 3. So how many of the flowers had to be yellow? 3. 3 yellow flowers. 3 yellow flowers. Let's try another problem. Joseph picks 20 flowers, so we know what our total counters are going to be, from his mother's garden. 1/4. How do you write 1/4, guys?
1 on top and 4 on bottom.
Yes, 1 on top and 1 on bottom. 1/4 of them are purple, so that means how many groups are we going to have?
4.
4. Thank you very much. 4 groups. How many of the flowers are purple? Okay, so we draw. Okay, this is a different way that they could do it instead of the way that we were doing it. If you like the way that we did it on the first page, that's fine. Just kind of remember that. And we can draw it on the side or something, but right now they're showing you a different way. This is an array way. Okay? So draw 4 counters. 4. 4. Okay? Continue drawing 4 counters until you get to 20. So we got 8, 12, 15, 20. Okay, now, how many groups did we circle? 1. Because the unit fraction is 1 on top, remember?
So won't we always?
So you're going to only circle 1 equal group. Okay, or I guess I could have done it the other way. Okay?
Is it always going to be a 1 on top?
Not always, but it is for today, because it says that you're solving these problems with unit fractions, and unit fractions always have a 1 on top.
Unit.
Right. Okay, so how many equal groups did we circle?
1.
Well,
I need another pencil. Yeah.
okay. They're actually saying you circle all 4. Okay.
Oh, I just circled.
Yeah. They're showing you circle 4 equal groups. And each group is 1/4. Okay? How many counters are in one group? 5. So 1/4 of 20 is 5.
When you got on the bottom, it kind of confusing.
Yeah. Well, I would have just circled 1 and then just counted how many was in 5, but they're still groups. It was basically like we just did what we did. We on the first page, you had 4 groups, right? The only thing is we didn't draw the groups first, we draw the counters first.
Yeah.
Which, I mean, you do how you want. If you wanted to do groups first, because I kind of like the groups first, and then draw the counters inside, then that's probably easier. If you don't mind this, and you just want to see how many in each group, that's fine too. So, boys and girls, how many, if 1/3 of them, one group was purple, how many were purple? 5 flowers were purple. Okay, you're going to do this with a partner. And then you will do the on your own, and you can draw. Oh, look, Carter, you do have to draw for these 2 only. If you understand how to, look, they even have pictures for you guys, so you can just circle the groups. Okay? Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to kind of let you look at number 16 on your own. So let's do number 17 real quick. Let's read it.
1/3 of roast seed packs and 1/4 of whole seed packs are daisy seeds. How many packs of daisy seeds did they buy all together?
Explain how you know. Okay. Yes, there is a keyword in there, which is
all together.
Which means eventually you will be
adding.
Okay, but we have to find out how many seed packs did Brooke have, and how many seed packs did Cole have, and how many of them are daisy seeds. So let's look at Brooks for right now. Make a B for Brooke. Okay, how many seed packs total did it say Brooke has, Tyson? How many seed packs total does Brooke have? Brooke, that's her name. How many seed packs does she have? 12. She has 12 total. Now, in the story, boys and girls, what was the fraction of the seed packs that were daisies, Tedman? What fraction of daisy seed packs were, what fraction of Brooke's seed packs were daisies?
1/3.
1/3. Nope. Yes. Yes. 1/3 of her seed packs were daisies. So let's figure out how many seed packs of hers are daisies. What do I need to do?
Draw 3 circles.
3 groups. Draw 3 groups. Then what do I do? Eli?
Put 1 in each till you get to 12.
Put 1 in each till you get to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many of Daisy's seed packs would be, how many of Daisy's seed packs would be, how many of Brooke's seed packs would be daisies? I keep trying to call her the name Daisy, but it's not easy. Brooke. How many seed packs, Bella, were daisies?
4.
4. What? Okay, so Brooke had 4 daisy seed packs. Okay? Brooke had that.
Hey, you forgot to make the B in cursive.
The D, I know. That's just my work. So right now. Oh, this D, yes, okay.
That's not a
Now, I'm going to do Cole's. How many packs does Cole have, guys? Or how many packs did he have? Callie? How many seed packs does Cole have?
He has 20.
He has 20.
Why?
What fraction of Cole's seed packs are daisies? What fraction are daisies? Carter, what fraction of Cole's were daisies? 1/4. So what does that mean I'm going to do, Jacob?
Draw 4 to get to 20.
No, draw 4 groups. Then what do I do? No, don't draw 20. Put 1 counter into each group until you get to 20. Okay, 1/4. So one of those groups out of the 4 groups is daisies. So how many packs were daisies out of Cole's? 5. 5 packs were daisies. Okay. So how many packs of daisies did they have together? Cole had 5 and she had 4. How many is that together? How many seed packs? Quiet. How many seed packs is that together?
9.
Then write that down. 9 daisy seed. To explain this, we said 1/3 of 12 equals 4 packs for Brooke. 1/4 of 20 packs was 5 packs for Cole. And 4 plus 5 equals 9 packs.